I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. No? Kung kailan niyo po ito napanood, believe in the divine timing that this message is meant to find you. So let's begin. Triumph, temptations, and love begins. So, sabihin natin, we actually wished for, well, who doesn't wish for a successful relationship? Who doesn't wish for a harmonious, relationship, a harmonious connection? Pero kasi paano tayo magkakaroon ng tiwala sa isang bigla-bigla ang pangyayari? May mga tsumachamba, no? Let's say, nagkakilala sa ganitong place, let's say sa bar or sa club, and then they ended up together. Hindi naman imposible, pero bihira, no? When I said ended up together, like kinasal, tumanda, no? With each other, pwedeng nagsama, pero hindi naman tumatagal. Pero yung ganitong magtatagal, there's something here na parang we're actually doubting. But I feel like the universe is kind of like telling us this can be an exemption to the rule. This can be a story that is meant to remove the dogma, no, of the situations wherein things are actually possible to happen. So parang itong we find love in a hopeless place, ang drama. May mga pagkakataon din dito siguro na merong yung isa, no, connected pa sa isang relationship. And parang pinurso ka or pinurso mo, and parang kayo yung nagkatuluyan. So parang lumalabas, this is a third-party situation. Sa mata ng karamihan, yes, this is a third-party situation. Pero sa inyong dalawa, you both know that this is not a third-party thing. Ang situation na nangyayari kasi dito, hindi malinaw, no? Sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo, what's happening behind closed doors. Or what truly happened, but who cares anyway, no? Parang sa inyo, bahala kayo mag-isip. Sa tingin ng iba, ahas ka or ahas si person mo. Pero hindi kasi nila nakikita yung magic. Hindi nila nararamdaman yung chemistry, no? With the Eight of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Hierophant. Chances are merong bumitaw sa isang relasyon from the past for this relationship. For the sake of this relationship. And it felt like that is the right decision, no? bihira ito mangyari. And this might not gonna be, medyo madaming magagalit sa akin dito, no? Because this is a third-party situation. But then again, if this reading is not for you, then katulad sabi ko kanina, it's not for you. This is only for those people who actually experiencing this type of situation. That makes sense, right? Um, Sabihin natin hindi madali ang pag-iwan doon sa kabila. Kasi nandun pa rin yung love. But love in a different way no? Yung romantic nandito na sa ipinalit eh. The Five of Swords, kung sino man yun ang iwan, hindi maaalis sa kanya yung regret, hindi maaalis yung, oh shit, meron ako nasaktan na tao, oh shit, merong naging masama ako, no? Masama yung character ko sa kanya, sa istorya ng buhay niya. And I think that is fine. You know, kahit naman ikaw na nanonood, you're not always a bida. You're not always a hero, no? To someone else's story. Pwedeng ikaw yung villain, no? Sa istorya ng iba. Pwedeng ikaw ang kontrabida sa istorya ng iba. Pwede ikaw ang evil witch sa istorya ng iba, no? With the Five of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, hindi talaga mapipigilan kasi it happened through a celebration. It felt like either, again, sinabi ko kanina, bar, club, it's a celebration, it could be a party, it could be holiday, and then emotion started there. Emotion poured. The Tower and the Star. Tower is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Hindi rin natin kasi masisisi, no? I feel like etong si person, yung ex, yung iniwan natin, no? Hindi tayo binigyan ng importansya, hindi tayo binigyan ng time, energy, effort, ng sabihin natin ditong focus, no? Iba ang nakapagbigay, iba ang nagpuno. So, sino ba naman ang hindi ma-in love sa ganong klaseng tao, sa ganong klaseng treatment, which I feel like dapat ibinibigay nung iniwan, no? Nung iniwan natin. Ganun talaga. Alam nga namang kitilin ko ang sarili kong kaligayahan, which I feel like hindi ko naman nakukuha sa isang tao at dito ko nakikita sa iba, no? The Judgment, the Emperor, the Nine of Pentacles. Ito nga yung sinasabi kanina. With the Judgment, you're making a decision, a very wise decision because this is your harvest. Baka kasi nauna ka lang magkaroon ng decision before. Pero kung siguro inantay mo, ito talaga yung taong para sa'yo. Pero nandiyan na yan. Ganun talaga. Minsan, masasabi talaga natin na masama, no? Masama tayo sa kwento ng iba. And I think that we should also accept the fact that we are not always, an angel, a hero, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, to someone else's story. This might be one of those stories wherein you're a villain, pero you know yourself, no? Hindi mo sinadya, meron kang reason. Hindi ka pokpok, hindi ka fuckboy na basta lang, no? Na ginawa ko to for the sake of. Hindi. Ginawa ko to because there's a reason. And that emotional investment, I didn't experience that to the person that I left, no? So, this is your reading. Medyo controversial, no? Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na kung meron kayong mga katanungan, let me know sa comment section. And kung gusto nyo magtanong ng personal or meron kayong personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aries, Taurus. I'm seeing Libra, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. I am seeing Capricorn. I'm seeing Gemini, Aquarius. Yup, nasabi ko na. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.